When I talk about borrowing from nature, what I mean is looking at what you've got around you. So think about what nature puts forward to us. All these different types of wood. You know, we've got this beautiful wood table, we've got this gorgeous wood floor. We've taken different elements and used them in different pieces. Hard flooring is perfect for the natural freedom look. It's bringing in all those elements that we've been talking about. It's something that I would look at using in high traffic areas, in environments where we've got this wonderful indoor-outdoor flow. And because of that, it just works so perfectly with what we're trying to create here, which is this sense of openness, of naturalness, of freedom. You don't want to have to worry. The thing that I love about this is that it's harmonious. It's timeless, it's modern, but it just gives you this sense of relaxation. It's about moving away from the hecticness of our everyday life and coming home and just relaxing.